This is on. Now we have to turn it. Okay, it's turning on. No, it's not. It's also on. Now close
These
it.
are electric circuits. This is also on.
So
And this is a working escalator.
Move it. It start moving. This is blood flow in human heart. As you can see that it is moving. Sit. Wait. Sit. That are solar systems. Where? There's an animal cell and plant cell section.
These all are states of matter,
Yes.
solids, liquid, and gas.
This is also state of matter.
This is longitude and latitude, as you can see.
There are all lavas. Volcanoes, sorry. Now you can see that there are pictures of our school. Seat. This is a principal, ma'am. All exhibitions. This is our class sitting in the library. So sit. So we are now going to our art session. So meet with us at a hard volcanoes. Now stop.